Hidden in the jungles of northern Thailand lies a natural wonder that defies expectations and gravity. They call it the Sticky Waterfalls, a place where the laws of nature seem to bend. But on today's episode, we're not just visiting, we're uncovering the dark side of this place.
You broke your wrist?
I think so.
When overcrowded, more accident.
Oh no, what happened?
Time for like domino.
Because trust me when I say, this waterfall is not what it seems.
All right, thank you. Let's go. Thank you.
Morning, you can call me Eddie.
Hi Eddie, I'm Jess.
I'm Jordan.
Okay,
Nice
nice to meet you.
to meet you.
Heading to the waterfall.
All right.
I like it.
Do you like stick to the floor? How does it work?
I have a lot of traction. When you walk, you're not slippery.
Interesting.
But it's the theory. In fact, you have to test every step. But sometimes the rock already lose their traction because overcrowded everything.
Oh.
That's why I offer you to go in the morning.
So the more people that walk on it, the less traction it has.
The less sticky.
The less sticky the sticky waterfall is. Is it better to walk barefoot? Can we?
So
Okay.
Sometimes slippery with
Yeah.
So as you not fall, the water level is very low.
Okay.
Needless to say, we were very fortunate we have Eddie as our driver.
What?
Because what's about to happen at the waterfalls is something we definitely weren't prepared for.
They will taking a bath the Buddha in the street. Like this. You want to try?
Yeah, absolutely.
Since it's Songkran, the Thai New Year, it's tradition to pour water on Buddha to represent purification and good fortune.
Oh man.
Meet me at the restaurant.
All right, thank you. About to get sticky. Kind of a sketch little path down. Feet are getting all cut up, but we're about to get soaked, so that's all good. We thought this is where we get off, but nope. We gotta keep going. He said this part's gonna take us around an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, and this makes a lot of sense because we are going down far. We're out here in the jungle. I guess. Probably go left. Gotta watch your step because there's a lot of dead bees around here. It's on the floor. Look at this. There's butterflies and moths everywhere.
There's butterflies everywhere. Everywhere.
I don't know how deep that is. I kind of want to start over there. There's a clear path. Look at this. There's just so many butterflies. Oh, babe. That water feels so good. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, that feels so good. Wow.
The brief moment I had feeling the water was amazing, but it was unfortunately short-lived because things are about to get out of control.
Watch your step. There's one right there. I see it. You got it.
I'm terrified.
I know, babe. You got this. Come on. Come on. Put your step right there. Watch right there. You got it? Oh no, what happened? How did that just happen? Do you want me to just run and go grab some first aid? That looks deep, babe. That doesn't look good.
It doesn't feel great.
Okay, so how about you just stay?
What to do though? I might have to ruin my.
Whoa! Oh, babe, this is not good.
I don't really have a choice.
All right, so a little bit of a tough start. I'm sorry, babe. Watch your step. You guys can go ahead of us. We're gonna take a long time. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she just cut her foot.
Can we do this? We shall see. I'll just hobble out.
Oh my goodness, babe. See if it got some grip. Yep, I feel the grip. It feels like sandpaper almost. How does it feel? Wow, that feels so strange. God, that is so bizarre. Slimy? Oh, yeah. Whoa! Yeah, you definitely, that's no traction there. Slippery, slippery. Watch your step. She wanted to take a funny photo with her foot out, so that's my girlfriend. So, for those of you who don't know, if it's darker, that means it's got the algae on it. You gotta look for the lighter areas when you're stepping. Like here, there's grip. Here, there's grip. But right here, no grip. Traction right here. This is so strange. It's just like stuck on my foot. Here. Come on. And yeah. It's supposed to be a nice little activity turned into a horror movie really fast. I got you, I got you. I'm gonna just boost you up.
I'm doing it. I'm trucking it.
You're killing it.
I'm having a blast.
Oh.
I end up no pulling my toes. Stop.
This next part looks a little hard, babe.
Got this. Pull never stop me.
I feel like that one guy on Brave Wilderness that always asks Coyote Peterson if he's okay when he's clearly not okay. That's me and my girlfriend right now.
Okay, I got a hole in my foot, but I'm good.
All right. It makes you feel any better. It looks really cool. Let me go first. Whoa, yeah, go that way. Whoa. Okay, you might need the rub for this one. It's super slippery. Oh my God. Holy crap, that is so slippery. All right, I'm gonna try to tiptoe to you. Tip, tip. Man, they saved the hardest part for last, I guess. Everyone's struggling up. Word to the wise, don't do things like this to where you do one-handed carrying a camera. Very dumb of me. Made it.
Made it. Plus one hole in foot.
Where is Eddie?
He said to meet him at the restaurant.
Restaurant? Okay, I'll grab you sandals, babe. Eddie, do you have any kind of first aid? She cut her foot in the very beginning.
Okay.
Luckily, they had a medic on site that took care of Jess's foot. But then something unexpected happened.
Sorry.
Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you something like a tea towel or a little towel? Because I think I have broken my
You broke
wrist.
your wrist?
I think so.
Yeah, that doesn't look good.
No. It's they gave me this, but I want something that it's in that.
Do you want to give her
A
that?
tea towel? No, not your.
Yeah.
No.
I was like, I just used it.
What happened? Did you land on your wrist?
Yes. I fell
Oh,
at a
man.
waterfall.
Yeah.
I slipped, and then I fell this way.
Do you have a towel? This poor girl, she's like, this is a busy day for me. No. Like, no, she didn't. No. This is turning into a nightmare. Eddie, do you know what hospital they should go to? This lady broke her wrist, and the taxi driver is asking where they should go.
I know.
Can you go? Yeah. He knows.
Do you understand English?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go to the hospital.
Yes, I fell down the waterfall. And
โรงพยาบาลที่พาไปครับใช่โรงพยาบาล
okay, then we are driving back to Chiang Mai, and then
Yes,
we go
better.
to that hospital.
Yeah, you should probably do that. If you can,
It's a
if you,
bigger one.
yeah,
The pain
they'll be
is-
able to take care of you better,
the-
probably. Yeah.
Yes, and the pain is handleable.
Well,
Oh, very thank you.
good luck to you.
Yes,
โอเค
Take care.
กลับมาโรงพยาบาลกรุงเทพ
Safe travels.
yes. Thank
Bye.
you.
Not your typical day in sticky waterfalls, huh?
When overcrowded, more accident.
Yeah, oh, that's good to know.
Sometimes fall like domino.
That's not good. It's quite the adventure.
After leaving, we headed to the nearest pharmacy to grab some bandages for Jess's foot. With the help of Eddie, of course. Then it was time to decide if we want to do another activity.
You actually want to go whitewater rafting? In case any of her family sees this, I advised against river rafting. She wanted to go, okay? I think it's a bad idea. She wants to go, just so we're clear.
The show must go on. Ready to go.
So we set out on a very bumpy excursion deep in the Thailand forests. And the area we're rafting in turns out to have a high population of elephants. Which means there's a chance we can see one by the water. And if you know me, that got me really excited.
So we're about to go whitewater rafting. I've never been water rafting before in my life, but
It's really fun. I'm excited.
definitely not gonna bring the camera though because it is going to get soaked, so see you on the GoPro. Yeah. Your foot okay, babe? It's hot. Oh, we're getting in the car? Okay.
It's gonna be awesome.
Oh, look at that. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Where you from, Dad?
California.
California.
All right. Here we go.
Where you sit for the
I sit in the front. Oh man. All right. Are we gonna see some elephants? Sometimes. So we gotta be lucky to see some elephants, right? All right.
Before the chaos began, we passed by some of the lovely locals and said hi.
How's it going? Woo! Oh, that water feels so good. Bye-bye. Bye.
Doodles.
High five! No! Hi. Hi. Oh. Oh. Let's go ahead.
Good.
Oh.
jump.
And then,
Yeah, that water sounds pretty heavy.
well, I think you know where this is going.
This was her idea, by the way.
I'm so excited.
Jeez. Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy crap!
That was awesome.
Oh my God!
Awesome.
That was wild. That was wild. You know, this boat is very durable. I'll give it that.
Yes.
Hi.
And just when we thought the surprises for the day were over, we had one more.
We see some elephants. Wow. Hi. That was so cool. Just casually passing by some elephants.
Well, today was unexpected, to say the least. What started with high hopes for the waterfall quickly turned into a cautionary tale. It was a day full of surprises.
Okay, thank you so much, Eddie. You're the best, Eddie. Thank you.
But that's not to say it was all bad.
Oh my God.
Sure, we went through some ups and downs, but it could always be so much worse. And honestly, with all the twists and turns, we still had a ton of fun.